Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Training. We go to the instruction file. So my title is the EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Training XLS Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel file. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is you organization provide a discount to educator. However, the worksheet contain wording that need to change with the education. Use the find and replace to find teacher and replace it with the education. Find and replace the teacher. Copy the teacher. Go to the Excel worksheet and shortcut button is a Control F. Is a find and replace dialog box. Find what is the teacher and replace with the education. Select the replace education, replace all done. We made 3 replacement. Click OK and click close. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is the worksheet contains a spelling error that need to be corrected. Check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the error. Check the spelling in the worksheet. Go to the Excel file. Go to the review tab and click spelling. Do you want to checking at the beginning of the sheet? Click a yes. Click a change all. Again change all. Spell check complete. You are good to go. Click OK. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is you cancel the charting basic worksheet workshop because only one person registered for it. Delete the row containing the charting basic workshop. Delete the row containing charting basic workshop. Select the charting basic row. Delete the row containing the charting basic workshop. Click a right click and delete the row. So question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is the Excel Analytic for Costing Training course field and you open the another courses. Insert the new row between the Big Data Foundation and Data Mining row. Copy the row 5 and paste the empty row. Insert the new row between Big Data Foundation and Data Mining. Big Data Foundation and Data Mining. Insert the row between the Big Data Foundation and Data Mining. Copy the row 5 and paste the empty row. click on row 5, right click on copy the row and paste the empty row. Go to the home tab and click on paste the row. Press escape button. Change the dates June 7, 2024. C7 to D7. Select the cell C7. June 7, 2024. Press enter button. And C7 to D7. Select the cell as D7 and type the 7 June. Press enter button. Enter a 11 in the cell G7 and 10 in the cell H7. G7 cell is the 11. Press enter. And 10 in the cell H7. Select the cell is H7 and type the 10. Press enter button. Question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is assigning a code to each workshop. Provide a reference number. You will use 6 indicate the 6th month and the first worksheet. Type the cell A5 is the value. Choose the autofill. Complete the range A6 to A10. Select the cell A5 and paste the value. Press enter button. Use the autofill to complete the range A6 to A10. A6 to A10. Question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is instead the displaying dates such you want to display the dates 6/3/2024. Format the date in the range C5 to D5 with the short date format. Format the type list. Copy the range C5 to D10 and paste the range. Select the ranges C5 to D10 and format the date in the range short date format. Multiply 3 14 divided by 20 12. Select the date. Date is 3/14. Three 14 divided 20 12. Click OK. In the short date format, apply the short format date. So question number 7 is complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is the worksheet contain a column for the start and end dates. It would be help insert the column to display the number of days for each workshop. Insert the column to the right of and date column and type the days in the cell E4. Insert the column right and date column, right and date column in the right side. Insert the column is right side and date column. Right click and click the insert. Insert the ANDed column and type the cell is E4. Hash of days, copy the and select the cell is E4, press enter button. Question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is a row 3 contain hash of attendance and gross revenue, main heading. Centering these heading over their respective subheading will help clarify the detail. Merge and center the cell H3 and I3. Merge and center the range J3 to L3. Merge and center H3 and I3. Select the H3 and I3. Merge and center. Go to the home tab. Click alignment group. Click merge and center. And merge and center the range J3 to L3. Press enter. Merge and center the range. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is applying a cell style will improve the appearance of the heading on the row 4. Addition, wrapping and centering the text in the heading cell further improve the appearance of the worksheet. For the range A4 to L4, apply the gold cell style, wrap text and center horizontally. Copy the range A4 to L4. Press enter and apply the gold cell style. Go to the home and cell style. Click gold cell style. Add the gold cell style and wrap the text center horizontally. Go to the home tab. Click alignment group and click wrap text and center. Title the center. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is you are ready to calculate the number of days for the workshop. In a cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the number of days for the first workshop. Add a 1 to the result. Include the total number of days including the start and dates. The result may display in the date format. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Select the cell is E5 and insert the function is calculate the number of days first workshop. Add the 1 to result include the total number of days including the start date and end dates. Type is equal to select the end date D5 मैंने आया start date C5 +1 press enter button and copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Copy the formula E6 to E10 So question number 11 is a complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is the number of dates result show dates rather than value. Applying the number format will solve this issue, and apply the number format with the 0 decimal places and center the result horizontally in the range E5 to E10. Copy the range E5 to E10. Press enter button and apply the counting number format 0 decimal places. Counting number format and click on number group and 0 decimal places. Click OK and center the worksheet horizontally. Click on center. Question number 12 is a complete. We can move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is the gross revenue is calculated by type, and customer column J is designed to display the gross revenue for a corporate customer in a cell J5. Enter a formula to calculate the gross appreciated revenue for the first workshop by multiplying cost per attendance by the number of corporate attendance. Copy the formula J6 to J10 in a cell J5. Select the cell as J5. Corporate type is equal to start bracket 1 minus G5 is a teacher discount multiply F5 multiply I5 teacher. Press enter. Copy the formula to the range J6 to J10. So question number 13 is a complete. We can move to the question number 14.